You're watching PhoneArena's video review of iMate Automat 8150. This is a business-oriented Windows mobile device combining the numeric keypad rarely seen in the class and the option to connect to a monitor or a projector. The phone has a rather ugly design and its large size makes it uncomfortable to use for calls. Its 2.6-inch display is smaller than the standard, where it has VGA resolution and produces detailed image. Unfortunately, it is hardly usable in direct sunlight. Below it we have the numeric keypad and the navigational buttons. They are all large but very hard to press and uncomfortable to work with. It is the same story with the joystick on the front, therefore we recommend using the freeway wheel located on the left. Here we also have the OK button, the microSD slot and the wireless manager slot. The opposite side houses the VGA cable slot used to connect the device to a monitor or a projector. It is accompanied by the mini USB connector and the small hard-to-press camera button. On the top we find the user-friendly power button, the infrared sensor and the handy stylus. Logically, the 2-megapixel camera with LED flash and mirror is located on the back. iMate 8150 runs on Windows Mobile 6 with almost no personalizations. The only interesting change is the addition of a row with icons on the home screen. Thanks to them you can access the profile settings to change them with a single click, or to rotate the screen at 90 degrees. On top of that you have automatic profile control. When it is active, the phone automatically switches between the separate profiles. For example, if you have an appointment for a certain hour, the meeting profile will be activated. All other functions are fully standard and the Windows mobile device characteristic strengths are present: good organizer and phone book, the ability to install various software. As it can be expected from a business phone, the multimedia features are not one of its main features. The camera interface is very simple and offers only basic functionality. The quality of both picture and sound when listening to music are mediocre. Regrettably, viewing documents is very inconvenient. Having to open them after you have started the respective application, for example Word, and not directly from the file manager, is absurd. Small PowerPoint presentations are visualized well, but for larger ones like sizes 20 or 30 megabytes, you will have to wait 9 to 10 seconds for the next slide to load. Overall, we are very disappointed from this element of the software since it limits the presentation capabilities, which is supposed to be one of its main features. Unfortunately, if you need a monitor connection, currently there are no alternatives available on the market. Talking about Windows mobile device with a regular hardware keyboard, we prefer HP iPAQ 614 because of the faster operating speed. For more information, please visit PhoneArena.com.